Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Oni. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I use clove water to grow my hair. I'll be sharing with you 2 ingredients that I combine with clove water to get an effective result. If you have been using clove water and you are not getting the required result, this video is for you. If clove water is drying your hair, or your hair is cutting, your hair is shedding, then this treatment is for you. So in today's video, I'll be adding aloe vera to my clove water and I will seal my hair with shea butter. Please watch this video to the end so you will understand why I have added these 2 ingredients to my treatment. Before we jump in, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, click on the notification bell and comment if you have any questions. Thank you. Our first ingredient for this treatment is our aloe vera, which is our source of moisture. So the first thing you are going to do is to wash it properly. First of all, I soaked my aloe vera for 10 minutes so that I will get rid of the yellow liquid in the aloe vera. If you look at the tip of this aloe vera, you will see this yellow liquid, and they are all almost out. They are all out. I will wash them out properly. You have to do that because this liquid is not good for your hair. Next thing to do, guys, is to dice your aloe vera, but we have to get rid of the aloe vera thorns. You can see them by the side. So the next thing to do is to chop the aloe vera into small chunks. So this is what I'm doing. Cut it into small chunks. So I'm cutting it into smaller chunks. Aloe vera is a good source of moisture for your hair. So guys, next thing to do is to transfer your chopped aloe vera into a jar and then add your clove and water. I will add 1 spoon of clove. You can see the clove. I'll add it. Next, I will add 1 cup of water. And then cover. I will cover this and let it sit for the whole day. This is it. You can see. This is it. I will let it sit for the whole day and then I will drain it into my spray bottle. So guys, this is what it looks like. I have left it to sit for the entire day and this is what it looks like. So the next thing for me to do now is to drain. So I'm going to drain it into a bowl and then transfer to my spray bottle. So I'm going to drain. You can see what the liquid looks like. So this clove water is very good for your hair. The clove has infused properly with the aloe vera. So I want to bring out the remaining, bring everything out. Yes, this is it. So like this. So guys, our clove water is ready, and I'm going to show you how to apply it to your hair. I'm going to be sealing it with my butter. You can use any type of butter, but in this video I'll be using shea butter. You can use mango butter, moringa butter, whatever type of butter that you prefer, but I am going to be using shea butter. So I'm going to show you how to apply this clove water to your hair and then seal it with shea butter. So if you have been experiencing dryness when you apply clove water to your hair, I think it is the method that you are using. So when you infuse clove water with aloe vera, it will add moisture to your hair, and when you seal it with shea butter, it will sit in and your hair will absorb the nutrients that it needs. So guys, I'm going to apply this to my hair. You can see our clove water is looking all juicy and ready. This is my hair. My hair is very dry right now, and I'm going to apply the clove water to it. So this is it. This is how you spray it into your hair. You know, clove water is very, very good for your hair. Clove generally is very good for your hair, especially if you are having dandruff, dry scalp, if you are having hair loss, hair shedding, your hair is cutting. This treatment is very good for your hair. So after spraying in the clove water into your hair, you massage it in, ensure that your scalp gets the water very well. So I am having a bald spot here, and I'm using this treatment for this bald spot. I want it to grow out, so I am going to massage in this water at this spot. So I'm going to seal my hair right now with the butter. So I'm going to pick my shea butter, and then I will apply it. I will use it to seal in the clove water. So this will help your hair absorb the clove water. So the best thing to do is to cut your hair into sections and then apply, massage in, so that all parts of your hair will get the nutrients. I will do this for all over my hair, and then I will show you what it looks like, but I am going to do this off camera. So guys, you massage it in, and then you're good to go. So guys, I have done the rest remaining, the last one, this portion here. So I am going to comb it out. Then apply my clove water. Oh. While I'm applying it. While I'm applying it, I am massaging it in. So I am applying this to the last section of my hair. So ensure that you massage it in, ensure that your hair gets it. You can divide it further and apply. It's very important that you have a butter to seal the hair, to seal in the nutrients with. So I am done. I am going to leave this to dry for an hour, and after that I will show you what it looks like. So guys, my hair is all dry and I have loosened the knots. So this is what it looks like. It feels so soft and moisturized. So if you have been using clove water and it has not been working for you, I recommend you to try this method. It must not be aloe vera. You can use any other source of moisture. You can use okra, you can use flaxseed, you can use ambunu, anything that has that slimy consistency that when you apply to your hair, when you infuse it with clove, it will sit in your hair longer, and when you seal it with a butter, it will help your hair absorb the nutrients that it needs from the clove. So this is the main aim of this method, so that the clove will sit in your hair and not dry out, and your hair will absorb the nutrients that it needs from the clove. So guys, we have come to the end of this wonderful treatment. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, please share it with your friends, and comment if you have any question, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.